Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Sharan. So from any screen here, if you go into phone, there's nothing connected at the moment. I've just deleted my phone. Then you can go into setup. You've got to press phone first. Now let me just see. If you go into setup, nothing comes up, or nothing that you can use to delete a mobile. So you have to click phone first, then setup. That comes up as Bluetooth settings. Click on Bluetooth settings. You've got paired device list, search for devices, set Bluetooth visibility. So we want paired device list. Showing my phone there, and you've got delete and connect. So we want to delete it. Delete this device. Are you sure? Yes. Delete. That's it gone. So that's how you delete a mobile. It is quite confusing, really. So then, to pair a mobile,